How to use Chatgpt for stock trading. Want to trade smarter, not harder? Here's how Chatgpt can help you in stock trading. It's 2025, and if you're not taking help from AI to assist you for your tasks, then you're actually not working smart enough. Yes, Chatgpt can be used as a powerful tool for stock trading. So let's talk about it. First, use Chatgpt for market research. Ask it to summarize news, earnings reports, or analyst sentiment for any stock. Second, it can assist with technical analysis. Just paste price data or indicators. And ChatGPT can explain patterns, trends, or signals like RSI or moving averages. Third, it helps with fundamental analysis. You can analyze balance sheets, PE ratios, and financial health of companies. You can also learn trading strategies, backtesting ideas, and risk management, all explained in simple terms. Need a strategy? ChatGPT can help you build one based on your risk profile, goals, or market conditions, like swing trading, momentum trading, or dividend investing. ChatGPT is a powerful assistant, not a financial advisor. Always do your own research. Follow for more trading tips